Welcome to the world of unparalleled luxury and sophistication with the Toyota Hiace Premium VIP Luxury Class. This vehicle redefines comfort, elegance, and performance, making every journey a first-class experience. On the outside, the Toyota Hiace Premium VIP exudes a sleek and modern design. Its refined black exterior with chrome accents offers a bold yet elegant presence on the road. The aerodynamic body, paired with premium alloy wheels, enhances both style and efficiency. Whether used for business or leisure, this van turns heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of luxury. The spacious cabin is adorned with plush leather seating, designed to provide maximum comfort on even the longest trips. Ambient lighting sets a relaxing mood, while the premium wood and chrome finishes give the interior a touch of class. For VIP passengers, every detail has been carefully thought out. Reclining captain's seats come with built-in massagers and footrests, offering a private jet-like experience on the road. The advanced entertainment system, featuring multiple HD screens, ensures everyone can enjoy their favorite media while traveling in style. The Toyota Hiace VIP is equipped with the latest technology for maximum convenience. Climate control keeps the interior at the perfect temperature, while a state-of-the-art sound system provides a concert-like audio experience. There's also a mini bar, USB charging ports, and wireless internet to ensure every need is met. The Toyota Hiace Premium VIP Luxury Class is more than just transportation. It's a statement of success and refinement. Whether you're shuttling clients, heading to an event, or simply enjoying a long-distance ride, this vehicle elevates the entire experience. Discover the ultimate in luxury travel with the Toyota Hiace Premium.